Hi, Elisa. It's a pleasure to speak with you, as always, and especially on such an auspicious occasion as you joining the Intellimize board.
Thank you, Guy. I'm super excited about it. I'm a big fan of Intellimize, and this is just a real honor and a real privilege.
The feeling is completely mutual, and I've had the privilege of getting to know you over the past year after an investor intro, and I couldn't be more thrilled or honored to work with you in this closer way. But before we talk about that, I've got to ask you to share a few insights of your career at Tableau. What a ride that must have been.
Yes, it was quite a ride. I was very lucky. I had this amazing experience of joining, at the not quite at the very beginning, but 5 million in revenue, and then stayed and we took it to over 1 billion. And what a ride that was! I just retired about 2 years ago, and have just been enjoying getting to know different kinds of companies, including Intellimize. And absolutely, Intellimize is one of my favorite finds. I really think you're changing the game out there. You're making a huge impact. I wish I had had it at Tableau. I think I could have driven even higher revenue with Intellimize.
And what an impact you did have at Tableau. For those that weren't listening closely, Elisa said she drove it to 1 billion in revenue, not 1 billion in value. It's just amazing. I immediately figured out when we met that your perspective as a marketing executive would be invaluable to the company. And it's been amazing having your support as a company advisor. We've learned so much from you that it was a no-brainer that you could be even more valuable as a partner and board member. Let me ask you though, what have you learned about Intellimize along the way as an advisor?
Well, I've learned that I think Intellimize is a game changer for the marketer, for the CMO, for the demand generation marketer, for the revenue marketer, for any results oriented marketer. I think what you're doing with AI and bringing it in to the stack of things that marketers use to produce results is just impressive. I mean, talking to you and also talking to some of your customers and hearing about lift that is exceeding 40%, that's amazing. What amazes me is that, my day, you're trying to eke out and scratch out every performance point you can get. You're testing, you're doing all this stuff. It's really a struggle. But when you can turn something on and see something happen so rapidly and so amazingly at that level of lift, again, I really believe Intellimize is a game changer, and should be in everybody's stack. It really should be part of your day-to-day demand generation, brand building, customer engagement, prospect engagement, just part of your buyer's journey. It really should be part of it because it can make a big impact on the performance you're getting.
It is wonderful to have a shared vision for how you can meet each prospect where they are in the funnel with you and shape that buyer experience. I truly appreciate your continued support, Elisa. I'm so excited to partner with you more closely. Your strategic experience, CMO perspective is a wonderful addition to our boardroom, and your active partnership will help us make more companies wildly successful. I couldn't be happier.
Me too. And I am certain that you guys are going to make a lot of CMOs and a lot of marketing departments and marketing people more successful, less stressed out, and a lot happier.